In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a recurring task in Todoist. Whether you're managing daily assignments or planning longer term projects, being able to automate and repeat tasks can save you a lot of time and keep you organized. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you're going to open up your web browser and in the URL bar, type in app-todoist.com/login. This will take you directly to the Todoist login page. If you already have an account, great. You're all set to continue. If not, you might want to pause here and register for an account. It's a quick process and will get you started with all the great features Todoist has to offer. Once on the login page, you'll enter your credentials. Start with your email. This is the same email you used when you set up your account. Carefully type it into the provided field. Next, you'll need your password. Make sure you type your password correctly, as this detail is essential to accessing your account. Now, for those of you who prefer a quicker login method, Todoist supports sign-in through Google, Facebook or Apple. Simply click the corresponding button for whichever service you prefer and follow the prompts to securely log in. Once you're logged in, you should see your Todoist dashboard. Look for the Add Task button. It's typically prominently displayed, or if you're on a mobile device, it may be represented by a plus sign. Go ahead and click that button. This opens a text field where you can type the name of your task. Here's where Todoist really shines with its natural language processing feature. You can write out both your task name and its recurrence in a sentence-like structure. For instance, if you want to remind yourself to exercise at the start of each week, you can type exercise every Monday, or if there's a report you need to send bi-weekly, type send report every other week. After you type this out, take a moment to notice how Todoist responds. It should automatically recognize and highlight the recurring part of your task in red text. This shows that Todoist has understood your instructions and is ready to set it as a repeating task. Once you see that red highlight, you know you're on the right track. To finalize everything, simply click Add or hit Enter on your keyboard. Your task is now saved and will appear in your task list, showing up repeatedly as specified. And there you have it, your very own recurring task setup in Todoist. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in boosting your productivity. If you have any questions or if I can help further, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Happy organizing.